Welcome to the Download Statewide Datasets video tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to download and install state inventory datasets, which you need to create study regions in Hazus. In order to build a study region, Hazus must first have the relevant census geometries, demographic, geographic, economic, and other data. Collections of these types of data are packaged by state and are available for free download from FEMA's MSC website. In order to build a study region, you must first download and unpack the state dataset or datasets that cover the area of your study region. To locate these files, navigate to the MSC website via the link provided in the video description and scroll down to expand the Download Hazus collapsible section. Below the link used to download Hazus are the state datasets for your selection. Each state dataset includes the necessary inventory you will need to create scenarios and run analyses for areas in that state, including data on transportation, utilities, building inventory, and more. To download a state dataset, complete the CAPTCHA verification, and then click the Direct Download button next to the state's name to begin downloading an executable file or .exe to your computer. Once the download is complete, view the file in your Downloads folder. Next, transfer the file into the Hazus inventory folder and extract it so that Hazus can use the data. In Windows Explorer, navigate to the Hazus data folder and open the Inventory folder. Then drag and drop or copy the state dataset into the Inventory folder. In the Inventory folder, double-click the state dataset.exe file. If Windows shows a warning message, choose to Run Anyway. Then click Extract, and the file will unzip to its current location for your use. If you unpack the file to another location, you must be sure to move the state dataset folder to your Hazus inventory folder, or else Hazus won't be able to reference the dataset. Once the extraction finishes, Hazus can access the data to build a study region within that state. You no longer need the .exe file. Congratulations! In this video, you learned how to download and install state inventory datasets for your Hazus study regions. Look for more Hazus video tutorials on the FEMA YouTube channel.